Sat Sri Akal. What I'm going to share with you today is a very beautiful explanation of what happens to us as humans sometimes. Sometimes, even though the love of God is true and genuine in our hearts, we forget Him. We forget Him because we get busy in our lives, in our goals, in our challenges, and in our families, our successes and fame, perhaps, where we forget to talk to Him, hold Him, and come back to Him, the same person who has made our lives and our successes true. This is a beautiful explanation of that. Rag Sorat Mehla Panjwa. दहदिस छत्र मेघ घटा घट दामन चमक भराइयो. On all four sides I see dark clouds, dark rain clouds, luminous clouds. Ghat daman, the rain clouds burst open and they wet me, and the thunder and lightning that the rain comes with is something that scares me right now. Chamak darayu. I am scared of the thunder and lightning. So I am in this position of darkness, rain and lightning, and when I am there, I am scared and afraid, dear Lord. Sage ikeli need neh ne pir pardes sidhayo. Why am I scared? Because my sage is ikeli, need neh ne. My bed is alone. It is alone because I have forgotten you, dear Lord. I am now alone with my own ego, my own dreams. I am alone and selfish in that path because I have forgotten you. And in my eyes, there is no sleep. Why? Because Pir Pardes Siddhayo. It seems to me like my dear Lord, who in this is personified as my husband because he is my companion and my soulmate and the person who can help me become the best version of myself. It seems that that Lord has gone overseas. Hun nahi sandesaro mayo. And I am unable to message him. I am unable to receive any messages from him or unable to get in touch with him. Ek kosro siddh karat lal, tab chatur pataro ayo. Earlier, even if you would go a mile away from me, you would write to me letters, not just one or two. You would write to me 4 letters to make sure that I was all right. Rahao. Now this is something not that the Lord is doing. This is something that our subconscious mind is doing, where we ourselves have gone away from Him, where we are unable to receive His Bani and His teachings, where we ourselves have decoupled from Him temporarily, where we feel that we are losing sight and touch of Him. क्यों बिसरे एह लाल प्यारो सरब गुना सुखदाई. Now we're asking ourselves, right? What are we asking? क्यों बिसरो एह लाल प्यारो. You people, you sweet people, why do you forget this Lord? Because this Lord is nothing but Sarab Guna Sukhdai. He is this, the virtues of the entire universe is within Him, and He is the giver of a celestial peace and peace to all mankind and living beings. And it's not that you don't know that. You know that, and your love for Him is true, because when Mandar char ke panth niharyo, nain neer bhar ayo. When you climb and go towards that house of worship, wherever that house of worship may be, when you go towards that house of worship and you're thinking about the Lord, His virtues, His greatness, His expanse, His journey, and His power over you, you feel humble and grateful for having Him around you. What does this gratitude and humility make you feel? Nain neer bhar aayo. Your eyes fill up with tears. These are tears of love and affection for that Lord. So that love and affection is within you. It's within us. But sometimes we just forget. Ho beat bhayo hai bicho. Sunat des niktayo. Sometimes in our own duality and ego, we lose Him and we get lost within ourselves, and it is that is what between us. So what separates us and the Lord, right? है बीच जो हमारे बीच में क्या है is exactly this wall of ego, this wall of insecurity, this wall of arrogance and selfishness. That is what separates us and Sunnat Des Nikatayo, and we are unable to get past that because we want our name and fame to be everywhere. Bambiri ke paat padro bin pekhe durayo. Just like the veil, the parda between you and us, dear Lord, is just like the butterfly's wings, which, if not in sight, cannot be seen. So unfortunately, dear Lord, when we get busy with our own selfishness and duality and feeding our self-ego, we lose sight of you. And when we lose sight of you, dear Lord, we forget you. We are, after all, human and extremely hollow. Bhayo kirpal sarab ko thakur, sagro dukh mitayo. But dear Lord, my kind and generous Lord, Sarab ko Thakur, you are the master and the keeper of the entire universe. I pray that Sagro Dukh Mitayo, that today you not only take care of my sorrows, but you take care of the sorrows of the entire world, because that is who you are. You are not just a keeper who belongs to me. Your generosity, your mercy, your knowledge is so expansive and inclusive that you are not insecure about yourself. You, in fact, have put your Bani in this book, and this book is made available to the entire universe for everyone to read, understand, and implement and share their knowledge. This is how great you are. As humans, we become insecure. We try to hold on what we know, and in our insecurity, we don't share what we know because we feel when we share, we will lose what we have. We will lose our standing in society and our business. But that is not who you are, dear Lord. You have given this gift to everybody so that everyone can stand up and share and spread the knowledge and the message of well-being, because this is you. And with this faith, I pray that you are able to take care of everybody's sorrows. Kahe Nanak home beeti gur khoi tat dayar beat lo payo. What does Nanak say? When you let go of your duality and your ego becomes a part of your past, you are able to find God, and then that God, that ever merciful, kind and generous God, becomes your master. Right? To dayar beat lo payo. सब रहियो अंदेसरो माइयो. All your fears, all your anxieties, all your doubts, and the darkness that your mind is clouded with is taken care of when you truly accept and understand this lesson from God. Jo chahat so gur milayo. And when you understand this and are able to get over your insecurity, whatever you want is what God will make you meet. You will achieve and get whatever you desire. Sarab guna nidharayo. The Lord is a treasure of Sarab gun. All the virtues of the world is all in that one Lord. If only we are able to understand it, keep our faith on it, then we are able to get over our insecurities, our selfishness, our duality, our pride, and our ego. Rahaw Duja. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह.